Hello, it's Charles Scovill, your Golden Harvest Agronomist with your Agronomy in Action Minute. Last week we spent some time talking about the new and exciting corn hybrids that we're bringing out. Today I want to spend a little bit more time on the soybean lineup. And last year, as you know, through some of our winter trainings, we brought in a number of new E3 varieties last year that did a nice job of complementing our very strong lineup of Xtend soybeans. As you can see from the chart here, we have a solid mix of both Group 1, early Group 2, late Group 2, and Group 3 soybeans. And as you can see from the color coding on that sheet, those that are colored in the darker green are products that probably had the strongest performance last year, with the lighter green and yellow being certainly competitive, but require a little bit more placement for top performance on those varieties. And as we want to look at the new products for this next year, I want to spend more time on those products that we will be advancing for commercial sale. And the first one of those is our new 1638X. It's one of two new Xtend varieties that we're bringing into the lineup. And what's really exciting about the 1638X is that it is a new stacked resistance to Phytophthora. So for those heavy, wet soils out there, this is a variety that we want to make sure that we place in those conditions to really take full advantage of this new trait platform. And it's going to be a little bit average on our white mold and more of a medium in our canopy. And so it's a bean that we can probably drop our population on a little bit and allow it to take full advantage of the space that it's going to use. The other new Xtend variety we have is a Group 2.3, our 2329X. What's exciting about that new Xtend bean is that it is a brand new source of resistance for cyst nematode protection. So historically we've used the PI 88788 and the Peking sources. This actually is the PI 89722. And so as we're looking at rotating some of our modes of resistance for cyst nematode, this is going to be a really nice addition to the lineup. It's a bean that is medium in its height, medium branchy in its width, and is going to be one that has some tremendous sudden death tolerance. Probably want to keep it away from our really heavy white mold soils, but it's going to go across a lot of the variable acres across the state of Michigan. In the E3 lineup, we also have two new advances. One of those is a 1.5, our 1557 E3, and this is going to be an improvement over the current 1541 E3. It's going to give us improved standability, improved Phytophthora tolerance, and a tremendous increase in improvement in the white mold tolerance on this 1.5 variety. The other new E3 bean is actually a 2.5. It is the 2505 E3. This already has a nickname. We're calling it the Beast for the East because it's just a very large plant type. It's going to be really built for going up and down those average to lighter soils and hills, and going to be a really rugged type of bean that's going to be very broadly adapted. The yields look tremendous on this, and though it does have some susceptibility to Phytophthora, the soils this is built to be on is really about those lighter rolling soils. And so make sure you get a chance to take a look at all four of these new varieties in our plots this year. And as always, if you have questions about specific placement on products, make sure you give me or your sales rep or seed advisor a call. Again, this is Charles Scovill, your Golden Harvest Agronomist with your Agronomy in Action Minute.